Hi, this is Editing Me. I am coming on to say happy Vlogmas day 11. I totally forgot. I just made it home and here I am chilling in the kitchen with Monroe. She and I are just having a little chat before I clean up and start cooking. I gotta clean up this crazy over here. I mean, I could eat them all. That would make them go away, right? Anyway, I am going to make some breakfast burritos. I don't know how you do them, but I scramble the eggs. I usually put sausage in them. I'm not a big fan. I love bacon, don't get me wrong, but I'm not a big fan of it in breakfast burritos. I don't know why. So I do sausage, cook up the sausage, then I cook up the eggs because then there's always, you know, a little bit of grease left in there. Anyway, cook up the eggs, and then I usually do regular hash browns, but this time, you're so stinking cute. But this time I bought the little coins. Oh, they look so good. They're called like tater tot crowns, or I don't know what they are. But anyway, they look really good. So I'm gonna get out my deep fryer and do them in there so they're crunchy. And then I'm gonna kind of chop them, probably into fourths, because you don't wanna eat like that in one bite. But then I will mix all that together, put it on the tortilla. I bought the kind of tortillas that you make yourself. Not really, but I mean the ones that you heat up yourself. And then I put cheese on top of that, roll them up, and then I individually wrap them, and then I put them in a Ziploc bag, about maybe 8 to a bag. And then we freeze them and get them out, pop them in the microwave, and it's about 1.5 minutes, I think. But I'll show you all that in a minute. So Monroe, how was your day? Was your day good? She's so fun to talk to. I mean, she doesn't say a whole lot, but look at this little girl. She's so cute. So how was your day? Was it good? Was it just fabulous? Yeah. And did you eat some bugs? She's nodding. I'm just having way too much fun at your expense. Not really, because I love you. I love you, and I think you're fantastic. Yeah. And she is going to have a bath in a little bit. And that's about all we have to report, huh, Monroe? Yeah, she's so cute. She's okay. She's not happy right now. She's a good girl. She's a great girl. Anyway, I will get cooking in just a little bit. Okay, I am starting my burritos. I did not realize how small these tortillas are, which is fine. They're just gonna be smaller burritos, but here's my first one. Kind of tiny and hot, but that's okay. So I'm using this new fun thing I got, and it's for something else I'm gonna do later in Vlogmas. But anyway, I'm using it now because I wanted to. I just wanted to make sure it worked and everything so I wouldn't have to return it. And then I have my pan set up, and this is the, try that again. This is the sausage I use, except for usually I get the natural. But this is what they had, so I got this. So I'm gonna go put that on the stove and I'll be right back. So this is my new cool toy. It's Procter & Silas round griddle thing. I'm sure that's the technical name for it. Sorry, choked a little bit there. So also, I know I'm not supposed to be using a metal spatula, but it's the skinniest one I have. This is a Pampered Chef one, and I love it. I use it a lot, and I'm being super careful. But anyway, I ordered this on Amazon. It was, I think, $40-ish, and it had good reviews, and it should, I don't know why I'm doing this, because OCD told me to. It had good reviews, and it should do what I need it to do. Also, I can make pancakes. Win-win. Okay, I just stuck my sausage in the pan, and this is yet another Pampered Chef tool that I love. It just breaks up the hamburger, or in this case sausage, and it just works out really well. So I am making the sausage here, and then I'll make the eggs, and then I'll get out the fryer. the sausage is done. So I am going to take that out and just put it in a bowl. There are dogs at my feet hoping that this will not go as planned, but it's going to. Super sorry, Squirty. She's not happy. Alright, so I was just saying to my husband, I really wish I had another package of sausage because this is a bit of a pain in the neck because I've got all the things going. You gotta make the sausage, you gotta make the hash browns or potatoes, however you do it. I've also done it with the potatoes O'Brien, and that's really good too. Those are the ones that have the little onions and peppers in them. Those are kind of good for this too. And, you can really add whatever you feel like. Okay, now I'm going to put this aside. This is like the oldest pan in the universe, and I hardly ever use it, but I'm glad I didn't get rid of it. It's just a cheapy one, but it works really well, and it's lightweight, which is kind of nice when you have a humongous pan full of something. Now I'm going to go make the eggs. I have 3 less than I thought I did, but that's okay. 15 eggs. I figured they're probably close to an egg a burrito. I don't know. With all the other stuff in there, it might be a little less than, but here we go. Okay, so I'm whipping my eggs up with a knife because I already was using it. I'm going to get some milk, and then I'm going to throw in some black pepper, a little bit here, or a lot because we do enjoy pepper. And then I also use granulated garlic, really whatever I have, but I always have this, so it always works. And I already threw in some salt, so there we go. Just gonna grab the milk. I'll be right back. Okay, just gonna add a little bit. I just eyeball everything I do. Okay, so I'm just gonna stir, stir, stir. I usually use a fork, but honestly, this is just a one-timed fork. It's fine. All right, now I'm gonna turn my stove back on. Still have my pan with a little bit of grease in it from the sausage. Not very much though. Pretty much not very greasy sausage, which is kind of nice. And then I just pour it all in here. Hey, the knife worked out pretty well for this. Alrighty, now it just cooks. Here are the Ore-Ida Golden Crispy Crowns that I'm going to use this time. And here's my little Farberware fryer, and I will put them in and I will show you when I get them cooking. So the crispy crowns are delicious. And next batch is frying away. I love this little thing. It's kind of a pain in the neck, but I love it. Okay, so here is the result of the tater tots in here. They're not tater tots, they're crowns. They're crunchy crowns or whatever they're called. Anyway, hubby is eating one and he gives it the thumbs up. He says they're good. So I kind of like the idea of something a little bit crunchy in there. It's not crunchy crunch. Well, it is, but you know what I mean. It's mushy crunch. Crunchy mush. Anyway, so this is the mixture that I'm going to put in the burrito, and then we have the cheese that I'm going to put on top, and then I'm going to fold it, bag it, call it good. So anyway, I will show you the finished product very soon. So on the tortillas, if it sounds like I'm talking with a mouthful of food, it's because I'm talking with a mouthful of food. The tortillas, I put it all the way up to, I guess, between 6 and 7-ish. Nope, just kidding. It's on 7. That was an optical illusion. And I am just flipping them over a couple times. Okay, we're trying this fantastic angle here. You are sitting in a fruit tray right now. Can you feel it? All right, so would you dogs, dog, it's one dog, move. All right, so I am taking, here's my tortilla. You can see that, I think. Yes, you can. And I tend to overstuff. It's just how I am. It's a problem, but that's about good, I think. And then I just sprinkle a little bit of cheese, and then I usually, how do I do this? I think I roll, yeah, so I go this way, and then these are gonna be so tiny, they're like bite size. And then I fold, there we go. Ta-da! And then I will be wrapping them. Usually, now I remember, we wrap them directly on the, I like the cling wrap. So I usually put that flat, wrap them right on, and then good. So I'm gonna do that with the next one. This one I'll eat, because you know, I have to try my handiwork. Anyway, they're really good. If you have any great recipes for things that you put in breakfast burritos, or, I mean, I love anything wrapped in a bread-like, you know, device. And breakfast burritos are just like one of my favorites. But if you have anything that you try that you really love, or that you make that you really love, let me know in the comments. I will catch you later. Have a great rest of your day. Goodbye. Okay, I think I said cling wrap in my video. This is what I meant, press and seal. That's the one I love to use. And it just like, I don't know, I just love it. It holds everything really nice. You can, I think you can microwave with it. We do, as long as it's not for very long. Do we? No, I'm lying. We take it out. I think you can though. Anyway, goodbye.